Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever wondered if raisins are hot or cold in nature? This question has puzzled many, but today I'm diving into the fascinating world of raisins to clear things up. Stick around until the end to learn how to get the most health benefits from these little gems. So first, let's talk about Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, foods are classified based on their heating, ushna, or cooling, sheetal effects on the body. This isn't about the physical temperature of the food, but rather how it influences your internal system. So, where do raisins fit in? According to Ayurveda, raisins are considered cooling in nature. They help to balance excess heat in the body, making them ideal for people who experience acidity, inflammation, or excess body heat. Modern nutrition backs this up too. Raisins are full of antioxidants, vitamins, and essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. These components aid in hydration and provide a soothing effect, especially when soaked in water overnight. Now, let's dive into the health benefits of raisins. Why should you add them to your diet? Here are some powerful reasons. First, their cooling effect. Soaked raisins can reduce body heat and help combat acidity. Second, better digestion. Raisins contain fiber, which supports gut health and prevents constipation. Third, improved immunity. Loaded with antioxidants, they help fight free radicals and strengthen your immune system. Fourth, heart health. Their potassium content helps manage blood pressure and supports heart function. Finally, an iron boost. Raisins are rich in iron, excellent for preventing anemia and boosting energy levels. Want to get the most out of raisins? Here's how. Soak 10 raisins in water overnight. This reduces their natural sugar content and enhances their cooling properties. Eat soaked raisins on an empty stomach in the morning to aid digestion and cleanse the body. Remember, moderation is key. Stick to a small handful, about 30 grams per day, to avoid excess sugar intake. Who should be cautious? While raisins are generally healthy, if you have diabetes, monitor your intake due to their natural sugar content. People with low blood pressure should also consume them in moderation, as raisins can further lower blood pressure. So to answer the question, raisins are cooling in nature, and they offer incredible health benefits when consumed correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let me know in the comments how you enjoy your raisins. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.